When it comes to hunting, the right gear can make all the difference between a successful trip and a frustrating one. Whether it's having clear vision, reliable clothing, or a dependable light source, the tools we carry play a huge role in how prepared we are. That's why today, I'll be walking you through 11 best hunting gears available on Amazon, all carefully researched and selected to help you decide what's worth adding to your setup. Let's get started with the first pick. Occer Compact Binocular. A good hunting trip starts with visibility, and that's where the Occer Compact Binoculars shine. These binoculars feature 12 times magnification paired with a 25mm objective lens, giving you a wide field of view of 273 feet at 1,000 yards. The 15mm large eyepieces help provide a clear and comfortable view, even for extended use. They're made with ABS plastic, making them durable yet lightweight at just 13.7 ounces, so you won't feel weighed down while on the move. Plus, they're waterproof, which is essential for outdoor conditions. Portable, sturdy, and reliable, these binoculars are a solid addition to any hunting pack. Number 2. TIDEWE Hunting Cloth. Staying comfortable outdoors is crucial, especially in unpredictable weather. The TIDEWE hunting cloth combines polyester and fleece, offering both breathability and comfort while keeping you protected with a water-resistant exterior. At just over 3 pounds, it strikes a balance between durability and wearability. Whether you're moving through the woods or sitting in a blind, this gear helps maintain body warmth without restricting movement. It's a practical piece of clothing that can keep you focused on the hunt instead of the weather. Number 3. MIXILIN Hunting Flashlight. Lighting is non-negotiable for early mornings, late evenings, or emergency situations, and the MIXILIN Hunting Flashlight is built for versatility. It delivers an impressive 90,000 lumens of brightness, with adjustable modes including high, medium, and flashing for the main light, plus multiple side light settings, high, low, and even red and blue warning modes. The flashlight is rechargeable with a built-in 9,600 mAh battery, lasting up to 15 hours on main light and 24 hours on side light mode. It's also solar-powered, giving you extra peace of mind in the field. Constructed from aluminum alloy and ABS, it's tough, weatherproof, and rated IPX5 water-resistant. Number 4. TIDEWE Hunting Backpack. Organization and storage can make or break a long day in the field. The TIDEWE Hunting Backpack offers 2,200 cubic inches of capacity, giving you plenty of space for essentials like food, water, and hunting accessories. Weighing only 3.74 pounds, it's lightweight for its size, so it won't slow you down while trekking. Built with a practical design, it's ideal for hunters who want a balance of storage and comfort without carrying excess bulk. Number 5. LaCrosse Alphaburly Pro. Hunting boots. Footwear is one of the most critical parts of hunting gear, and the LaCrosse Alphaburly Pro delivers both comfort and protection. Made with a combination of neoprene and rubber, these boots are fully waterproof, keeping your feet dry in swamps, wet fields, or rainy weather. The zip closure ensures a snug fit while making them easy to slip on and off. With LaCrosse's reputation for durability, these boots are designed for hunters who need reliable footwear that can handle tough terrains while keeping their feet comfortable all day long. Number 6. BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank. When you're outdoors, staying connected and powered up can be a real lifesaver. The BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank packs a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, giving you enough juice to keep your devices running when you need them most. It supports USB-C and Qi wireless charging, along with fast charging capability up to 20 watts, so you can quickly power phones, GPS units, or cameras. Lightweight at just 9.3 ounces, it also doubles as a dual bright flashlight, which adds to its versatility. For hunters who need a compact and dependable power solution, this is a great piece of gear to keep on hand. Number 7. Sanlida Dragon X8 Bow. For bow hunters, the Sanlida Dragon X8 stands out as a versatile and high-performance option. Made from CNC machined aluminum with BCY USA bowstring materials and Gordon Composites bow limbs, it's built for both precision and durability. The bow offers a fully adjustable draw length from 18 to 31 inches and draw weight from 0 to 70 pounds, all without needing a bow press. At 3.8 pounds, it's lightweight enough for extended use while still delivering powerful shots. Number 8. EVERLIT Survival First Aid Kit. Preparation is key in the outdoors, and the EVERLIT Survival First Aid Kit ensures you're ready for emergencies. This 250-piece kit comes packed in a 1000D water-resistant nylon case that's compact, mountable, and easy to carry. Inside, you'll find not just medical essentials like bandages, gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, and alcohol wipes, but also survival tools such as a multi-function tool card, camping knife, fire starter, emergency poncho, and thermal blanket. Weighing just under 1 kilogram, it offers a lot of resources in a portable package. Number 9. Sawyer Water Filter. Clean drinking water is non-negotiable in the wild, and the Sawyer Mini Water Filter is one of the most trusted options out there. Compact and lightweight, it removes 99.99% of all bacteria, including harmful contaminants and even microplastics. It's built with plastic and stainless steel components, designed for durability while staying easy to carry. Since it's manually operated, you don't need batteries or electricity, making it a reliable tool for any hunting or survival situation. For peace of mind on long trips, this filter is a must-have. Number 10. Mossy Oak Hunting Knife. Every hunter needs a dependable blade, and the Mossy Oak Hunting Knife delivers strength and reliability. This 15-inch knife features a 10-inch stainless steel blade with a compound bevel edge, giving it cutting power for everything from field dressing to camp tasks. At 16.8 ounces, it's heavy-duty without being cumbersome, and its non-slip rubber handle ensures a secure grip. The included nylon sheath adds safe, convenient carrying. With its rust-resistant build and solid design, this knife is a trustworthy companion in the field. Number 11. Gas One GS-3400P Stove. When it comes to preparing meals outdoors, the Gas One GS-3400P Stove makes cooking simple and reliable. Made from alloy steel and metal, it's durable and designed for outdoor conditions. What makes this stove especially convenient is its dual fuel capability, running on either butane or propane. That flexibility means you're not tied to one type of fuel, making it easier to stay prepared. Weighing just over 1 pound, it's lightweight, portable, and practical for both short hunts and extended trips. So there you have it, 11 best hunting gears available on Amazon. If any of these products caught your attention, be sure to check the link in description and see which ones fit your hunting style best. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides on the best outdoor and hunting gear.